Hello everyone and welcome back. It is me, Ollie. You should know my name by now, hopefully. Today I was laying on the couch being super unproductive and I realized, hey, you need to film a new video for Sunday. I thought today I would do something different and actually be productive today. So we're gonna try to do something today that scares me. We're going to clean out my closet. I've seen a lot of organization videos on YouTube. I've been watching Marie Kondo on Netflix. Love you, girl. I'm feeling inspired. What I will say is, we're gonna be realistic. I am honestly really intimidated by my closet. I haven't looked at it in a few months since the pandemic, so I haven't cleaned at all, which is disgusting. Sometimes when you feel sad and you don't wanna move from your bed, you're not gonna care about what your closet looks like. You're just gonna close the door. So unfortunately, I have like a sliding door closet. We're gonna take everything off the floor. We're gonna see if I wanna donate it or keep it. If you wanna hang with me today, you wanna see a little bit of my closet, see what treasures I have in my closet that have been missing longer than the diamond in Titanic. My willpower and strength is honestly at an all-time low, so please wish me luck in this adventure. Let me know in the comments what y'all think is cute, what I should have kept, what I should not keep. By the time this video is over, I'm probably gonna end up with 5 pieces of clothing, and that is okay with me. That means I can shop for a new wardrobe and change my identity yet again. Plus, I've been trying to shift out of just wearing all black. We're trying to bring in color. We're trying to bring in a little bit of emotion, a little bit of energy, you know, a different energy, a vibe, a mood. I'll see you at my closet. I don't know how I'm gonna angle the camera, but we're gonna make it work like we normally do for every Sunday video. See you soon. Hello, we have arrived at the crime scene. Let's show you the disaster. Okay, so this is my closet. It's disgusting. There's a pile of clothes. Lovely. And then here's some that goes back there. As you can see, I need help. I think I'm a hoarder and this is not okay. This is not how a normal person should behave, but we're gonna try to get our life on track. This is how I usually live my life. I have 5 outfits that I usually wear and then I get bored of them and then I never wear them again and then they're just lost in my closet in the abyss. This closet actually holds most of my day-to-day outfits. I also have a dresser over there, but that's a completely different story. So that has like my socks, underwear, and like t-shirts and random stuff. If you're out there and you need tips on how to clean and get your life together, I have no idea. From what I've seen from these girls on YouTube, they say just attack what you can and keep doing it until it goes away, basically. I think I'm just gonna start with just pulling out all the junk, making a huge pile right here, and then just going through it, kind of showing you guys like this, and then just putting it to the side and kind of go in like an assembly line style. I think the easiest way for me is to just get everything out. I'm also scared because I have a violent dust allergy, so if I start sneezing and get sick, we might have to pause the video. Just a mini update, cleared just this section of the closet. I started having an allergy attack, so I just post-made some Claritin. So we're gonna pause until that gets here. This is what it looks like now. Look, it's all empty and much better state than it was before. I left my pants up here because I already kind of went through these a while ago. Hello everyone, I have returned. I secured the Claritin. Remy literally texted me and suggested I should have worn a mask before cleaning my closet. That would have been the smart thing to do. But that is not what we do on this channel, baby. Let's just start going through the pile. I'm a little stressed. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, let me back up so you guys can get a good view of each item. What is this even called? Like a pilot jacket? This is a mood, this is a vibe, this is perfect for fall. This is staying.
A few moments later.
This is honestly a little embarrassing to say, but I've lost all motivation for wanting to clean my closet, and we're gonna resume this video tomorrow. I'm gonna go put everything in my living room, a huge pile. I'm gonna rearrange my living room so you guys can actually see what I'm doing and what I'm picking up, get the whole gist of the organization and clearing out.
I'm a clown.
Hello everyone, I am back in my living room. I feel like this is the best angle I can get to kind of show you guys what I'm picking and what I'm donating. Once this is all done, I'm gonna need to laundry everything and organize it by color and all that good stuff. Maybe I'll do like a closet tour or something if that's of interest. By the way, if you're not following me already on Instagram, here is my @ over there. You can get a lot of behind the scenes, interact with me, see what I'm posting. I'm trying to be way more active on there. I would appreciate a lot if you guys went over and followed me on there. I'm gonna throw the stuff over here I'm keeping, and whatever I throw on this side I'm donating, and then I'll show you guys the pile. So first thing is this cute little Cupid top. I've literally never worn this since Remchella, and it's been rotting my closet ever since. And oh lovely, she has stains, but I think I can salvage this with a few washes maybe. I don't really know. Still think she's trendy, still love her work. Okay. Miss Fluffy jacket. I'm sorry, but if it's soft, it's going in the keep pile. Yes, my infamous floral shirt. So Urban had all these amazing printed t-shirts, and I bought every single pattern. I just think I look great in them, so this going in the keep pile. Also, fun fact, I actually have 2 of the exact shirt. I don't know why. I've suffered enough. If you guys have lasted this late into the video, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, comment below what you're enjoying, let me know, wish me luck, and let's get through this together. This shirt from Topshop I got a while ago. It's pretty cool. A lot of my friends think it's ugly and not trendy at all. I feel like it's gonna come into fashion. We're gonna keep her just in case. So this is from Zara, red flower and black bomber. I wore this to like a few birthday parties and a few dinners. I love this, I'm keeping this. It doesn't fit me well, but I'll give it a pass. I love this. I got this from Urban Outfitters. You might have seen your favorites in this. Alicia, Remy, and Morgan have this. We have a planned beach photo shoot of all of us wearing this. This was obviously before COVID. It hasn't happened yet, but I'm still hoping for that shoot because that would be a funny family picture. And then also, we have another coat that I'm keeping. This is also from Urban. It just makes me feel like a cute little delicate sheep. Corduroy material. Love her work. Next, we have a little t-shirt. I got this from Urban. Super cool. It has rhinestones on it. Definitely one of my more trendier pieces, keeping her. I also have this glitch jacket. Super cool. I've never worn this, but going to wear that. I found this shirt. It's super cute. Astrological signs on it and some installations. Super cute. This is from Topshop. I'm definitely gonna keep this, but it's white and I don't normally like wearing white clothing. It just stains easily and I just hate it. We're gonna keep her. We're gonna give her a chance. Who knows? Maybe I'll start incorporating more white clothing into my wardrobe. Doubtful, but we have hope. So for Coachella last year, I wanted like a super cool elaborate outfit. So I custom ordered these body straps to go over my outfit, and he did it to my exact measurements, but it ended up looking like an odd corset shape on me, so I ended up hating it. It's super cool though and reflective, and I feel like I'll wear it someday, probably when I'm way more fit and can rock this over my clothes. That is not today, but we're gonna keep her. This Adventure Time shirt is super cool and super cute. I really love the art style on here. I loved Adventure Time. I love my memories with it, but I think it's time to donate this. Hopefully someone likes it. I love this shirt. It just makes me so happy. Some monochromatic flowers, but I feel like she's had her time and heyday, and therefore she's going in the donation pile. This one, I don't even know. I think this one's from Pakistan, but I think I'm gonna donate her. Hopefully someone bleaches her up, rips her up. Guys, cut off vest. I don't really know what I was thinking, but I feel like someone could really rock this, so this is going in the donation pile as well. I have this super cute horizontal shirt, so she's being donated. Cool coat from Urban, definitely keeping her. I still love like the edgy, like internet-y style. That's still my vibe. Trying to incorporate more colors while still being like chic and edgy and having my own twist to it. I'm really into like customizations. Like I love how everyone's getting like custom shoes and custom jackets and just fun stuff like that. I definitely want to add more of that to my wardrobe. The iconic Balenciaga hoodie, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep. Why am I literally sweating while showing you guys? This is tragic. This is a cute little corduroy and denim t-shirt from Urban. It's super cute. It's super oversized and I love it so much. Definitely gonna keep her, so she's going in the keep pile. Found this neon green turtleneck. It is such a mood, such a vibe. Definitely gonna keep her. I hope I wear her someday. Playboy shirt. It has Playboy on the collar. Love her. Definitely needs to be washed. Keep. I also found this shirt in my closet too. It's white, but has a cute little butterfly. Love her work. Keep. Something that sparks joy for me. I literally have every single Alicia Marie launch. Plan on keeping all of them. They make me so happy. I wear them all the time. I basically lounge in them, and y'all, like, the quality, the excellence. Alicia is just such a nice, sweet, supportive girl, and if you want to support a female entrepreneur who is genuinely such a great person inside and out, we support Alicia Marie in this house. Maroon varsity looking jacket from Zara. We're gonna keep her. Wow, this UNIF jacket, I've worn this so many times throughout the year. Can't get over it. I just think it's so cool and I feel badass when I wear it. We will donate her because it's time for someone else to enjoy her. Wow, I haven't seen this in ages. I wore the sweater to Remy's birthday party literally years ago, so I'm gonna keep her. I actually loved wearing her. By the way, if you made it this far into the video, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and comment below, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel. Join the tribe. Join the cult. Here is the pile that I'm donating. So I'm gonna wash all of these, sanitize, and then try to see where I can donate. Obviously because of COVID, it's gonna be a little hard, but in case, we'll just keep her bagged and ready to go. But over here is main monster. This is all the stuff that I'm keeping. Don't mind the mess over here. I'm doing a little arts and crafts project. I'm gonna go through this once more. So I'm gonna organize everything by color so I can start laundering it. Some of the designer pieces I own are up here, or I already put them in the closet. I just need to go get them dry cleaned. We have movement. We actually survived. I'm really excited that I actually did the damn thing. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for sticking through the video. That is it. Let me know what you thought. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment below if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching my channel. You guys are so nice to me and you guys have embraced me on YouTube. I'm really loving making the videos and there's more to come. The collabs are coming and I have a lot of exciting things planned on this channel. So subscribe if you haven't already and I'll see you next Sunday at 12. Bye everyone.